Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today we are in Home Depot. I'm going to show you how I pick out my lumber. Okay, so I'm here at the 8-foot 1x4s. And this is typically what I'm buying here in this section. So Home Depot has several different lumber sections. We're in the common board section, and that's where I buy my stuff 99.9% of the time. These boards are number 2 or better, common white pine or maybe spruce, something like that. So I'm gonna grab just the 1x4. I'm sighting the board, and I'm looking down here on each edge, and I'm looking for curves or imperfections or warps or something like that. Now amazingly, this one actually looks pretty good. I usually have to pick up half a dozen or so before I find a decent one. This one actually is okay. Let's just grab another one. Let's take a look at this one. Wow, this was straight too. Dadgummit. Well, we'll take a look at this one. But we're also looking down this, looking for a good straight board that way. I'm also looking this way to make sure there are no cups or curves or anything like that, and making sure we have a good straight board this way. Then we want to inspect the edges and the ends and make sure they're all nice and clean. This one actually is a pretty good one. What's going on, Home Depot? So then you're gonna have stuff like this right here. Nobody wants that. I don't know why they even put that in here. I'm going through here, still looking. Dadgum, they're all straight today. But some of these are really noticeably heavier than the others. I avoid these because that usually means there's a lot of moisture in this board, and you don't want to get the board with a lot of moisture because as it dries out, chances are it's going to warp and twist. So the heavier ones, I tend to set those to the side too. So looking at this one, I'm looking at this grain and I'm thinking, wow, it's really pretty. It's got a lot of good figure in it. It's a little heavy, but wow, that's really pretty. However, when we sight the board, look at that. Right. And that's what you're dealing with a lot of times at these big box stores, is these boards that are just horribly warped or twisted or both or worse. That's what we're dealing with. And then there's another one. You see it curves around like that. Can you see that? Anyway, it is possible to find good lumber at Home Depot, and it is affordable. However, most of the time you have to wind up spending a lot of time looking through a lot of lumber to find good boards. I hope that was helpful, so thanks a lot for being here. And if you like stuff like this video and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here. So thanks a lot. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.